Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a twist out using the Texture ID styling cream. So I've had this for a while, I just never tried it, so I was like, why not just, you know, go ahead and give it a try. I'm trying to fix my nose ring. But anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna try this out for a twist out. It's already washed and conditioned my hair, and I put in a leave-in. So we're gonna start back here, and I'm gonna detangle my hair with the Felicia Leatherwood brush, of course. I kind of want to do these twists like smaller, so I'm gonna split this in half and make this 2 twists. And this is what the cream looks like. It looks like Jello. It's like jiggly. I don't know. Anyway, and it's thick though. Like the consistency is thick. It's really thick. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's thick. Please excuse my nails, y'all. We're in quarantine. Oh, I like the way this feels. But we're in quarantine or shut down, whatever. And I can't get my nails done, so I'm trying to slowly but surely take them off. So I'm just gonna continue twisting up the rest of my hair. This is what my hair is looking like. So I did cut the front part of my hair. If y'all watched any of my other videos, then you know I always said that the front part of my hair, I always said that the front part of my hair just wasn't my friend, and it wasn't. So I just needed to cut it all off. Not cut it all off, but I cut it and kind of made it into like a, I guess, a bang. So yeah, now I have a bang, and I feel like it'll look 10 times better with those ends cut off. I'm gonna come back in the morning and take the twist down. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Hey y'all, so it's been about 2 days since I did these twists, so I went ahead and banded them last night just to get a little extra stretch. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these down. I'm just gonna take a little bit of the melanin hair care oil. I'm gonna begin taking down these twists, and I already know this is gonna be a process, so let's just get this show on the road. I'm gonna speed through this, but I do want to show y'all the like what the definition though. Yeah. So this is the first twist. So this is what my hair is looking like, freshly unraveled. So as you can see, this front part It's kind of shorter because I cut it, and yeah, I think it's gonna look 10 times better with this part being cut, because I felt like before it just was just straggly and it just wasn't appealing to the eye. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just separate my hair and fluff it out and lay my edges, and then I'll be back to show you guys the final results. Okay guys, so this is what my hair is looking like. Oh my god! Wow! Absolutely love it. It came out so cute. Like, I feel like I may have separated it a little too much because the volume is crazy, but I love it. It looks great. So yeah, I love the Texture ID styling cream. This is my first time trying it, and it won't be my last because I love a good like styling cream. It kind of reminds me of the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothing. That's bomb as well. Hair looks so much better now that I cut off this front part of my hair. It's not like straggly and just weird looking. It looks good. I will definitely use this product again for another twist out. I feel like twist outs and braid outs will be like my new go-to. I might dip and dabble in wash and goes every now and again, but for right now I think twist outs and braid outs are my thing. I love it. The definition is crazy still, even though I separated it a lot, I still have a lot of definition. Like, it looks good, and it's so soft, and it's still moisturized too. Like, it is really moisturized. I really didn't even need to add any oil to it, and there's not even much frizz. It's just good. It's just all around amazing. I love it. So yeah, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Black, your magic. That black, your magic.